The James Bond Lotus Submarine.
Yep.
Made me like lotuses.
Low tide.
Low tide. That's right.
I don't know.
That's right.
These are cool kits.
Aren't they? Aren't they?
Because you know you're going to be getting that and you're going to be putting it in the bath.
Let's look at it. You're going to stick it in the bath. Why are you going to stick it in the bath?
Because it goes underwater. What do you...
Oh, is that why? Well, that's a bit obvious, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Look at this.
That's right amongst the stupidest questions you've ever asked.
There you clear bits. Can't really see much because they're clear. There's the Lotus. So I've got the standard Lotus body.
Yeah.
And then we've got all the extra sprue here for blanking off the wheel arches.
Yep.
And you've got the submarine fins on that. It's funky, eh?
That's a cool kit.
It's not a lot of bits to it.
No, very simple, but...
Because there's the chassis.
Tells the story. Sure.
It's like a sled.
Well, they'd be happy with that because they wouldn't need to do any underfloor details.
No, that's right, because they had to be sealed, right? It had to be waterproof. All right, so there's your Bond car submarine. And then I've brought in something a bit bigger. FUJIMI also do ships. There's a big World War II Japanese Imperial Navy aircraft carrier, the Hiryu.
Hiryu.
Yep.
That's a... I quite like the shape of that.
The aesthetics?
Yeah. Aesthetically, it's really grungy.
So you can see how it was initially designed as like a battleship. And as during building, they converted it.
What?
So you can see the double layer?
Yeah.
Yeah. Probably be able to see it better from here if I zoom it out a bit. You can see these areas here.
Yeah.
Okay, so the hull's got that standard sort of shaped hull up to this point. And then just built this extra deck across the top.
I'm just wondering the phone call. Hey, Hiryu, can you make this into an aircraft carrier?
That's right.
Yeah,
what?
No worries. Just like stretch it out another 50 meters and put a second deck on it. Yeah, no worries.
It's pretty big. This is 1:350 scale.
Ah.
It's really quite nice. It's got actual decking. I guess it's not decking, is it?
No, it's riveting.
Yeah. So two-piece hull.
Yeah.
You got a stand.
It's not colourful.
No, you've got all these little bits here.
Yeah. Oh, that
all the boats.
You'd be wanting a pair of God-hand nippers to undo all this.
You would. Otherwise, I'll be flying away. And you've got some aircraft there as well. And you can increase the aircraft too.
Oh, look! It comes with some hat Indian infantry.
It does now. Yeah. So if you're into ships, we've got a heap of ships. Not just from FUJIMI.
Yeah. Well, you give me the ships.
Yeah.
Well,
sometimes.
Yeah.
There you go.
That is. I'm not into this, but it's really cool.
Yeah.